Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can invite team members to your UPBASE project. We're using the latest version, so this is your full 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to log into your UPBASE account. You need to be an admin or a project manager to invite members to a project. This is crucial because these roles have the necessary permissions to add new members and ensure the right people have access to your project. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your project's dashboard. It's here where you'll manage everything related to your project, including its members. The dashboard is the central hub of your project, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Next up, you'll see an option labeled Team Members. Click on that. This is where we can view existing members and add new ones. It's designed to make managing your team as straightforward as possible. Once inside, you'll see a button that says Invite New Member. Click on it. This is the button that allows us to add new team members. It's as simple as that. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure to get it correct. We do this because UPBASE uses email as the primary method of inviting new members, ensuring that the invite goes directly to their inbox. After you've entered the email, click Send Invitation. UPBASE will then send an email invitation to the person you've invited. They just need to accept it to join your project. This step is important because it allows the team member to set up their own account, ensuring they have secure access. Let me explain why this matters. Inviting team members to your project allows you to collaborate more effectively. The more team members you have on your project, the more efficient your workflow can be. And there you have it. You've just learned how to invite team members to your UPBASE project. Remember, collaboration is key to project success, and UPBASE makes it easy to bring everyone together. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.